Washington. More than 500 Pakistani physicians in the U.S. have signed a letter for U.S. lawmakers, sharing their concerns about threats to the safety of former Prime Minister Imran Khan. These are not just PTI supporters. These are physicians from different social and political backgrounds, claimed Atif Khan, advisor to the PTI chairman on overseas affairs. There's only one common factor: all of them are worried about Imran Khan's safety. Another group called PAC, Public Affairs Committee, which usually campaigns in the U.S. Congress on community issues, has also circulated a similar letter, expressing concerns about the current political situation in Pakistan. Both groups have urged their members to send letters to their local lawmakers as well to chairpersons of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee and the House Foreign Affairs Committee. Local PTI groups in Virginia and other states are also drafting a similar letter, which they plan to send to U.S. lawmakers and senior members of the Biden administration. We are writing to urgently bring to your attention the critical situation in Pakistan. The safety and well-being of millions of citizens, including our families and loved ones, are at risk due to the current government's human rights violations, suppression of dissent, and threats to the safety of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, says the letter the physicians wrote. Urging the lawmakers to address their concerns, the physicians wrote, "We believe that the current situation in Pakistan demands immediate attention and action to prevent the country from sinking into another decade of military rule and darkness. As Pakistani American citizens, we are seeking your support to ensure that the voices of the Pakistani people are heard, and their human rights are protected." Explaining why they want U.S. lawmakers to focus on Pakistan's domestic politics, the physicians argued, "We believe that with the support of the